Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our lecture number 15 and HW number 14 and topic is exercise 4.3 question number 42. Let's start the solution of the question. Look, you see the question number 42 which is taken from exercise 4.3. Okay, you see and read the question at first. X equal to a plus b whole square, y equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square and z equal to a square plus b square minus twice ab. Now a number, determine the sum of the numerical coefficient of the z terms. Okay. The b number, determine y plus z and y minus z. C number, if a equal to 3, b equal to minus 2, then prove that x equal to y. At first I will solve the question number A. Okay, you write here A number. Determine the sum of the numerical coefficient of the z terms. Okay, so at first you write the z terms. Right, given z terms, given the z terms, a square plus b square minus twice ab. Now question, the sum of the numerical coefficient of the z terms. Okay, that means we have to determine at first the coefficient of a square, b square and ab. Okay, so at first we determine the coefficients. Right, the numerical coefficient the numerical coefficient of a square. You see here a square, its coefficient is 1. This is equal to 1. Similarly, numerical coefficient of b square. You see here, there is only one coefficient, so write here 1. Similarly, the numerical coefficient of AB. You see here AB, here minus 2 is attached with the constant term AB. Look, AB also here, AB here, you see, AB here, you consider AB here the variable and 2 is the constant term. Okay. So here coefficient of AB is minus 2. So you write here the coefficient of AB is minus 2. Now the question, the sum of the numerical coefficient. That means we write the sum of the numerical coefficient of z terms equal to what? You see 1, then its coefficient is 1, then AB its coefficient is minus 2. Right here 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2, minus 2 minus 2. Now 0. You subtract 2 from 2, that means 0. Okay, now write the required the required sum is 0. Okay, this is our answer. Now we want to solve B number questions. Okay, you see B number, determine y plus z and y minus z. Okay, that means at first we have to write given that y equal to what? Y equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square and z equal to a square plus b square minus twice ab. Okay. Now you see the question, determine y plus z. That means sum of y plus z and y minus z. Okay, you have to determine the result. At first we will determine the sum. Now y plus z, right? Y plus z. Put the value of y equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Plus you put the plus, then z equal to what? This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we see here is plus twice ab and there is minus twice ab. Look, this is the same term but opposite sign, so this and this will be reduced. Then we get, here is 1a square and here is 1a square. That means 2a square. You see here b square plus 1b square. That means 1b square plus 1b square. That means 2b square. You see here, please attention here. You see here is the 2 common. Here is also 2. You see both are 2. So here 2 is the common. Write here 2, then write a square, then b square. Okay? I think you understood up to this. Now I will solve the next step. That means also y minus z. Okay, now put the value. Y equal to what? Y equal to, you know, a square plus twice ab plus b square. Minus sign. Be careful here. This is minus. So you give here first bracket z. Z equal to what? You know, z equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now you put here this value. Okay. That means a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now you have to calculate now a square plus twice ab plus b square minus, you see here minus and plus. That means minus plus a minus, minus plus a minus, minus and this minus is equal to plus. Okay, you see here there is plus sign, and there is minus sign. So minus plus a minus, minus plus a minus, minus minus a plus. Now you see here this is a square and this is a square, same term but opposite sign. So this is the reduced. Similarly, you see b square and the minus b square. So you may cut this. Now we get, what we get? You see here is twice ab plus twice ab. That means twice ab plus twice ab. This is equal to 4ab. Okay? Now you write the answer. Answer to a square, b square and 4ab. Okay dear student, now our solution of B has finished. Now I will solve question number C. Okay, I think you have understood. Okay, now I will erase. Now I want to solve the question number C. Okay, you see the question. If A equal to 3, B equal to -2, then prove that X equal to Y. Okay, right here given that A equal to 3 and B equal to -2. Okay. Also you have to write also X equal to A plus B whole square and Y equal to A square plus twice AB plus B square. Okay, now we have to prove that X equal to Y. All right, we have to prove that X equal to Y. Okay, now you see the question. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Now write here left hand side. Okay, left hand side is X. Now put the value. X equal to what? A plus B whole square. Now put the value. Now you see here A equal to what? A equal to 3. Now put the value 3 plus you put this plus. Then see B equal to -2. So you give here first bracket and then write the value of 2. Okay. You may here mentioned as A equal to 3, B equal to -2. Okay. Now we have to calculate. Okay. Now 3 plus then minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 2, this is got what? 1. Put here 1 is square. 1 square means what? 1 into 1. That means we get 1. That means we have got the result left hand side X equal to 1. Now right hand side. Right hand side is Y. Now put the value of Y. Y equal to what? Y equal to A square plus twice AB plus B square. Now you put the value. A equal to 3. Put the value plus then 2 into A equal to 3. Then you see B equal to what? B equal to -2 plus B equal to what? -2 you put here. Similarly, you have to given here the clue as A equal to 3 and B equal to -2. Okay? Now we have to calculate now. 3 square means what? That means 3 into 3. Right here 3 into 3. Okay? Now carefully observe here. Plus and minus. Plus and minus, that means what? Minus. Now 3 to the 6. 6 to the 12. Okay? Again I will repeat. Plus then minus. Plus minus say minus. Now only multiply 3 to the 6 and 6 to the 12. Okay? Plus, you give the plus sign. -2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square, that means what? Minus 2 multiplication by 2 times. Root minus 2 into minus 2. Okay? Now write here 3 3s are 9 minus 12 plus, right, look, plus minus a minus, minus minus a plus, then you put here plus, then 2 2s are 4. I repeat again, plus minus a minus, then minus minus a plus. Now write here 9 plus 4, this is at first. Then 9 plus 4 is equal to 13 minus 12 minus 12. 13 minus 12, this is equal to what? This is equal to 1. That means we have got the left hand side x equal to 1. Similarly, we have got right hand side y equal to 1. Okay? Therefore, we have to say that left hand side equal to right hand side. As the questions say, we have to prove that, or you have to prove that x equal to y. So you write here proved. Okay? Dear student, you don't give this line. For your understanding, I have given this line. Okay? For your understanding, I have given this. Now I want to talk with you about our SW topic. You see, today our SW number 14, topic exercise 4.3, question number 42. You see page number 109. This is your SW. Dear student, your assigned SW is very very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you have to collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, I hope you understood today's discussion. You keep practicing at home and avoid by your parents. You stay safe, stay well. See you again, inshallah.